Let's have a look at Tatiana. Tatiana is an 80 meters motor yacht built in Turkey by Bilgin Yachts and delivered in 2021. Her top speed is 20 knots. And she boasts a maximum cruising range of 7,500 nautical miles at 12 knots. She can accommodate up to 16 guests in 8 staterooms with 21 crew members. She was designed by Unique Yacht Design, who also completed the naval architecture. Unique Yacht Design has designed 5 yachts and created the naval architecture for 7 yachts. Her interior was designed by H2 Yacht Design. Tatiana is one of 59 motor yachts in the 80 to 90 meters size range, and, compared to similarly sized motor yachts, her top speed is 1.87 knots above the average. Tatiana is currently sailing under the Cayman Islands flag, the second most popular flag state for super yachts, with a total of 1243 yachts registered. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more.